Can you imagine the enormity of the potential that India's mega infrastructure program promises for entrepreneurs in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland? As the world's fifth-largest economy, India is currently experiencing a robust economic boom, and the Indian government is leaving no stone unturned in its commitment to bolster this growth trajectory through a substantial increase in infrastructure spending. Now think about the story of DACH-based company Solar Tech Solutions. It's a case study that vividly illustrates the benefits of engaging with the mega infrastructure program. Solar Tech Solutions, an enterprise specializing in solar energy technology, saw a golden opportunity in India's ambitious renewable energy targets. Recognizing the potential for technology transfer and innovation partnerships, they decided to take the plunge. And what a plunge it was! Solar Tech Solutions collaborated with Indian firms, leading to a significant exchange of cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions. The company's products found a vast and eager market, and their engagement with the mega infrastructure program facilitated trade, reducing bureaucratic hurdles and speeding up processes. The result? Solar Tech Solutions has not only expanded its global footprint but has also seen a substantial boost in its profits. But most importantly, their success story has paved the way for other DACH entrepreneurs to follow suit. India's mega infrastructure program is not just about building roads, bridges, or airports. It is about building connections, fostering innovation, and creating a platform for businesses to grow and thrive. It is about unlocking new markets and taking advantage of a burgeoning economy. So, for those German, Austrian, and Swiss companies looking to broaden their horizons, the time to act is now. The Indian market is ripe with opportunities, and the mega infrastructure program is your gateway to tap into this potential. But remember, navigating a foreign market is not a walk in the park. It requires a deep understanding of the local landscape, a well-thought-out strategy, and a reliable partner who can provide the necessary support. This is where Tempulse Global Consultancy comes in. With their comprehensive market entry strategies, expertise in establishing foreign subsidiaries, and proficiency in optimizing tax situations, they are the perfect partners to help you seize these opportunities. So, why wait? The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless. Reach out to Tempulse Global Consultancy today and step into the exciting world of India's mega infrastructure program. Embrace the potential it offers and write your own success story, because the future belongs to those who dare to dream and have the courage to act upon it.